Mikey wants to see the arcade in the
Yeah.
bowling.
Can you bring us there?
Okay, wait, now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You want to go?
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Alex Gonzaga, paano nga ba bilang tita ng mga anak ng kanyang kapatid na si Tony? Sa video nito ay makikita na hilig niyang kargahin ang kanyang pamangkin lalong-lalo na si Baby Polly. Nasa Dubai ang kanilang buong pamilya at ine-enjoy ang kanilang bonding sa isa't isa, habang sila ay nasa bakasyon. Ito ang nakakatuwa nilang video. Atin itong panoorin, pero bago yan, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para sa iba pa nating celebrity updates.
It's my skin fault. There's a war ready for lose, 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 get it for lose, get loose, get loose, get loose. Ah! Don't cry. Samina mina waka waka samina mina shangalewa the sham for Africa hammer is a gano hemingano head to his homa okara sama hoka esa mekara hey cause this is Africa.